Good afternoon. It's Friday, which means it's time for me to start my weekend project. I'm teaching Bob here how to make a woodpecker. First, take a saw and start cutting a log. Look at that, a woodpecker. Let's see if it works. Peck, peck, peck. Pretty good. How did yours turn out, Bob? Bob, I tell you what, I got an idea here. Pick up that log and hold it. No, hold it like a baby. Yes, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, you've met the log lady. I now give you the log man. Hold on, I'm going to get you a sweater.
I don't know about this, David.
Raising a log is not as difficult as it seems. You're a natural father. You'll be fine.